Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's episode we have another LawMate product. This is the PV-IP7w. It's the iPhone case. So let's go ahead, open the box, and I'll show you what it's all about. So this case is suitable for any iPhone 6, 6S and 7 I believe. So in the box we get our PV Cam quick start guide. We have our IP7 instruction manual. We have our sweet little iPhone case with our hidden camera in it. We also have our charging cable, and as always with all the LawMate products supplied by the spystore.com.au, our 16 gig micro SD card and SD adapter. So this little guy can do full HD video at 30 frames per second. It also has the Wi-Fi, so you'll be able to link it in with the PV Cam app. And being that you can sit the phone in the case, it allows you to monitor your subject or whatever you're recording quite easily and discreetly just by having the app open on your phone. So it's quite a good little unit. There's a couple of little switches on the back, but I'll get you guys to join me on the other side and we'll go through everything with you. What we're going to go ahead and do first is I'm going to pop this cover off, and we're going to expose the charging port and also the micro SD card slot. Now what we're going to do is insert our little micro SD card. So what we want to do is go into that slot with the words facing towards the back of the case. We just want to push it again until it clicks. And then once it's clicked into position, we can go ahead and we can cover that port up. Now on the back here we have a number of different switches. So this switch on the top left hand side is your power off and on switch. I've also got a detection system, so either continuous recording or motion activated recording. And then this switch on this side is for the Wi-Fi. So if I want to turn the Wi-Fi signal on or off, at the moment the down position is on and the up position is off. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and install the phone in the housing as such, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now if you're unsure if it's on or not, you can just press the buttons on the back here and you get your lights pop up. So we're just waiting for all of them to pop up. That little light there indicates that it's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. So again, make sure you've downloaded your PV Cam viewer app. Go ahead and get into the phone. So let's make sure you've downloaded PV Cam Viewer. That's the app that all the LawMate products use, so make sure you have that installed. Then what you want to do is go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, and we're looking for PV-IP7W. 8 8s again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. Again, wait for the Wi-Fi symbol up here. 4G to turn to a Wi-Fi symbol. Now we can go to the app. And we can go to device management, and we can see there that the PV-IP7W is online. From here again we can go to recorder setting, and at the top we've got normal or motion activated modes. We've also got a setup mode, so in motion activated we can go into setup. I'll just stop that for a sec. We can go into setup. We'll go motion, setup, and we can change how long it records for after triggering, so a minute, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You can also go ahead and adjust your motion detection level, so it makes it nice and easy to calibrate it to your needs. Once you've got that all set the way you like and you're in motion mode, just hit record to start capturing, and then if we point at anything and we move, so if I move my hand in front of it, there we go, it's activated on that. So it'll trigger now for 3 minutes or a minute. We can then go ahead and go back. If you wanted to change the date and time, because this unit uses the PV Cam Viewer app, it can all be done through here. So we can go to program setting. We can synchronize the time, and whatever time your device has will be displayed down here. Just simply press OK, and then every file you do from here on will be time and date stamped. So you can choose to have that time and date stamping on or off. Under resolution you've got a couple of options, but you really want to leave it on the best one possible. And then you've also got your frame rate selection, but that's already on its highest setting it can go. Pretty good little unit, guys. Like I said, nice and easily concealable. You could easily go into here, make sure you're recording whatever you need to record, and get some really good footage from it. Stay with us, guys. I'm going to do some outdoor demo footage and show you guys exactly what these guys can do. Hopefully you're as impressed with them as I am. Thanks for joining us.